Today, you're going to learn how to run VIP early access sale without cheapening your e-commerce brand. So many people just treat the VIP early access as, the day, like a week before Black Friday, they just give them 30% off. That's not the right way to do it. Today, I'm going to explain you how to do it the right way. I have my handy content calendar that we run 8 and 9 figures e-commerce brands, and I'm going to actually give you free access to it. Link is waiting for you down below. 66 days before BFCM, guys. If you're not going to crush it this Q4, you're going to leave a lot of money on the table. So this is where I teach you every single day. I release a video. We have 89 videos planned. Today's video number 19. And if you want to follow along, you can grab a free copy. Again, link is in the description down below. If you're new to this channel, I'm here to share with you what worked, what didn't work, and what we're actively doing to scale email and SMS funnels for e-commerce stores. That's all. I'm not here to sell you anything, but rather I'm here to find top-tier talent, new opportunities, and growing my network. And if you like to grow your email and SMS marketing funnels, subscribe, leave a like if you want to leave a like, and comment with any questions down below. Jumping right in, I'm going to actually jump into our BFCM content planner. If you want to grab a copy, just, again, grab it down below, make a copy, and you can use this and make a lot of money using our strategies for your e-commerce brand. Now, in order to run a successful VIP, early access or, VIP group, you want to start that as early as October. As of the time of making this video, it's September 23rd. We're a week away from October. So you want to run your VIP early access as early as October. Why? If you're going to run that in November, that's too late. That's too late. It's way more competitive. If people that follow my channel or any other big brand, they're going to bombard people as early as November 1st. Okay. Now we want to start in October to collect VIPs, and we want to send them things throughout October, not only November. So first thing, in order not to make your brand look cheap, but still run a VIP sale, start collecting VIP early. Okay. Second thing, don't just give big discounts and that's it. Oops. Give your customer a reason, why you added them to VIP. Couple things that I can share with you are bundles. If you have any special bundles for Q4, maybe you have special sizes, maybe you have product launches, give those customers all those things, not just big discounts. All right. Now, how to run a VIP early access sale. I actually want to give you Nike as an example. I share these templates, by the way. I want to take Nike as an example. I just took a quick screenshot of their site. And this is the pop-up that I shared with you last week on our 16th, I believe, video. All right, so grab your free BFCM templates. These are the templates right here. You have a pop-up. You have an email that you want to send right after you have somebody sign up on your pop-up on becoming a VIP early access person. And then the banners that go on top of flows. And I'll explain how to use them in a second. So essentially, if you have you can create any page on your website. We'll take Nike as an example. And here, what you want to do is just take that Klaviyo embed form and embed it on your site. Nothing fancy. It could be literally just like what you see here. Maybe you can put a little text, but you have everything on the pop-up itself. So you can pretty much just leave it on your site just like this. And people see, like, this is a template, obviously, but they see, want to be a Nike.com VIP this Black Friday season. Join the VIP list today and get early access to new product launches and the biggest deals of the year. Where a lot of brands make a mistake is they literally tell them, yeah, you get early access, you get all these cool stuff, but they never give those things. They never give any early access to new product launches. And what they do is just 1 week before Black Friday, they give them, early access. But that's the wrong way. That's how, things were done maybe a few years back. Today, you want to plan your Q4. You want to make it special for people. So as I said, think about bundles. Think about maybe smaller sizes of your product to make it like special. Think about, maybe new product that you're going to drop for Q4, because that's what's going to help you stand out and not just be that store to just give 30% off site-wide. All right. So this is what you want to do. You want to create a pop-up and you want to embed it on a page on your site. You want to start having this live, maybe run some traffic to it from Facebook or Google, or even from your email list. You can send a few campaigns, and I have a few ideas right here. You can send a few campaigns to tell people, hey, sign up, here's the link, and give the link to the page on your site. So if you're Nike.com, you can do Nike.com/BFCM. And once people go there, they'll see this page right here. All right. People sign up, and then you want to start planning a few good, let's say, offers, bundles, like I already said, new product launches, anything special that you can think will make sense for your customer, and start sending them in October. Okay. November comes around, you can start pushing early access. That's a good strategy. And, there's like every week you can do like a special category if you want. You can do category 1 here, category 2 here, like 20% off if it's Nike socks on week 1. Week 2, you can do 20% off shoes. Week 3, the week of Black Friday, you can say 30% off, tier discount, which I spoke about yesterday on how to do. So that's pretty much what I recommend, how to run a good VIP sale without cheapening your brand. Let me know if you have any questions in the description down below. And also, I have a quick outline of what I want to talk about this week. If you have any suggestions of what you want to see next, drop that comment as well. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you manana.